Hello everyone, Cyberhawk over here. Today I'm just going to show you how you can install Cloudflare WARP. So first of all, I would explain what is the Cloudflare WARP connector is. So like another VPNs that you have, it is also a VPN application that you can install on your Windows, Linux, iOS or Android devices. Today we're just going to show the installation, how you can use that on your Windows client, right? So how that thing is work? So basically, you have your internal network, which is like showing on your left side, and on your right side, you go to your corporate network, right? And in the middle, you have a Cloudflare. So on this network, which is the 10/24 network, you have like your resources, like you have like your internal resources that are hosted. Like for example, you can think about this is your like Office one, and this is the Office two, and from here you want to connect to over here, rather than you have like a dedicated 40 gate VPN or any other IPsec or whatever. You can get that set up through the wrap connector. Also on the top of that, this wrap connector also act you as your like a internet proxy, like a Zscaler or Netscope, whatever you can say that. So it is also filtrates your DNS queries and also create a tunnel, like a secure tunnel for your internet browsing. So it is basically a very good application in terms of if you want to have your internet browsing really private, because as you know that if you browse internet with a incognito or a private tab, that's not actually a private. Like anyone can still sniff your traffic. So for this one, for what you need to do, you need to just download this latest stable release for the Windows. I have just downloaded that. So once you downloaded it, it's pretty simple. You just double click on that one, and it will open up an installation window, right? And then you just hit next, and it will start installing that. And with the installation, it will like install a couple of certificates, which is from the Cloudflare, which is good. That will come into action if you want to do the TLS inspection, that sort of stuff. But we're not going to do that right now. So the installation is pretty straightforward once you just install it. And this is a really good application if you want to keep your internet traffic completely encrypted, so your internet service provider, your ISP, won't be able to see anything. It just goes straight to the Cloudflare and access internet. Cool, so the installation is finished now. Hit finish, and when you hit finish, what you will see that it will pop up the Cloudflare. Yeah, so over here you can see that it just pop up with the notification that it's being installed and it's ready to use. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click next over here, and it's just gonna ask you for the permission. So you can see that Cloudflare only collects a limited DNS queries and traffic data. So it is like a fully encrypted service, and it does not collect any of your like a payload or your credential or anything. So it's just like complete tunnel. So once you accept that, it will register your device to that wrap connector in the Cloudflare, and then if you click on this connecting one, it start establishing your connection. It's, you can see it's building a tunnel directly to the Cloudflare, and then configuring the firewall, your firewall rule, confirming tunnel, and here you go. It says connected. So once you are connected, it means like you are directly browsing through the Cloudflare. So if I go and search what is my IP and go over here, you will see that it's a Cloudflare IP. And you can see that the ISP is says a Cloudflare. So it's a really good application if you wanna keep yourself fully encrypted while browsing the internet. So all of your privacy will keep as is. Keep watching Cyberhawk consultancy channel. I will upload more stuff in related to the cybersecurity and how you can keep yourself secure on browsing the internet. Thank you.